No, 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 no. Whenever.
Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm just gonna get right into what the purpose of this video is, or what we're doing in this video today. So, as you all know by the title, I'm going to show you guys how I do my individual lashes. I don't know why I'm doing all this, but I'm just trying to emphasize what I'm saying. Okay, so it's become like a trend, popular, whatever, to get your eyelashes done. And don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to stop anybody's hustle, but everybody that wants to get their eyelashes done doesn't have the funds to get it done by a lash tech. And don't get me wrong, you could do that for the low, and I'm going to show you guys what to do, how to do it, and for the low, you feel me? So I'm going to tell you guys the 4 things you'll need, and that you can pick up from your local beauty supply store or CVS, drugstore, whatever. So, let's go. The first thing you'll need is a pair of tweezers. The second thing you'll need are some lashes. These are short, these are medium, and these are ultra thick medium. Last thing you'll need is some glue. Now this glue right here, Ardell, is legit. I don't know if you could tell I have some on already. That's because the rest I either took off or they fell off, and these just won't come off. But the ones that I took off were on for like a week and a half. They would have been on longer, but I took them off because I wanted to film this and put some more lashes on because I want to get some more. Mind you, I don't know how much it's going to cost at your beauty supply store, but these lashes are $2.99. The glue is $5, I think, and the tweezers you could get from a dollar store. So $1, that's less than $10. So we about to show y'all. Oh, one more thing you'll need is a mirror so you can close up and look. You know what I mean? But yeah, now we're gonna get into this video. I feel like, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna get into this video right now. I'm going to take my ultra thick black medium lashes, remove the clear thing, and I'm gonna use this clear thing as a tray for my glue. Okay, and I'm going to use these on the outer part of the eye. These that are already on my eyes are short, so when I add the short ones in, it'll be fine, so they won't look stupid or anything. Yeah, fine. So this is all you need to do. It's really simple, and you're gonna get frustrated because this is a very tedious thing. Like, it's very tedious, but if you want it, you're gonna do it. Get your tray, your glue, and you don't need much. Get it back in. Close that back. We don't need for it to dry out. This is what you do. Can you see? Let me adjust this. Hold on. Okay, so boom. I'm all zoomed in. So I'm just gonna get down to the nitty gritty. So can you see now? Yeah, okay. So I'm going to take, I'm looking in the thing. So sorry. I'm gonna take, one of the lashes. Don't yank it because you know you don't want it. And it looks like this. Your glue, you see? Dip it. Try to get it on the back part. It doesn't matter. Just dip it on the. Sorry, I just want you guys. Okay. You don't have to blow it. One thing about this glue though, it burns a little bit, but you can withstand it. Like, and so some people go on top. I don't go on top. I go underneath. Like, I hope you guys gonna be able to see this. So I'm gonna lift this up, and you see what this one is? This is so tacky, but yeah. That one, that's what I'm gonna put, but I'm gonna put this on the outer part. Okay, so I'm gonna look into my mirror right now. Oh, I don't think you guys can see. Okay, bad. Sorry, I had to be prepared to shed a few tears, to lose some lashes, some fallen soldiers they will come about. I'm crying already from that first one. It didn't even get it on. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat anything. Like, it's tedious, but like, it'll be worth it in the end. Cause you gonna have some fluttery eyelashes and you gonna be looking cute. And instead of paying $100, you're gonna be paying $10. Cause yeah, I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna fast forward this part because this is where it gets. But I explained the steps. Like, all you have to do is lift your eye up, sorry, and try to get it on like the lash line. That's weird. Messing with the eyes is so weird. I mean, I tried to do the regular lash band. If that's easy for you, do what's best for you. But you get a natural look. More of a natural look if you go under, because everybody always asks me, how those your lashes? No, they're not. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like, they're not my lashes. But yeah, this is what I do. So like I said, I'm gonna fast forward this, and yeah. As you're tearing up, so this is what's going on right now. Oops, let me pause that. So I'm just gonna come back when I have this eye finished and show you this eye, because yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Look how it looks. Like, it looks really nice. My acne's bad, sorry. But yeah, oh, I feel like I'm vlogging or something because I'm holding the tripod. But okay, yeah, I'll come back when this eye's finished. So yeah, and this is this eye. And I only did those two, a couple right there. So yeah, about to do this eye. And what happened? Oh, okay, we're about to do this eye, and stay tuned. Ew. My face is breaking out like crazy. Okay, yeah. I showed you a close-up of my right eye. So I showed you a close-up of my right eye. Now we're about to go and do my left eye. And we're about to do the same thing. Like I said, just to reiterate, we're going to use these lashes once again. Same glue. Because the tackier it gets, the easier it gets to apply for the lashes. So if you want, you can wait about 5 minutes before starting to do either of your eyes. I be hearing things, sorry. To do either of your eyes so it can get a little more tacky. Because then they start to go real quick and easy. I know I was tripping. Somebody's home. But sorry. Keep going on tangent. I'm going to use these ultra black, the thick ones on the end, and if I need to fill it in like a little like sparse spaces, I'm gonna use the regular medium ones, and then in the front I'm going to use short. So let's get going on the left eye.
I think our best hope is to
I'm crying.
address it head on.
With my eyes, excuse me. I'm a little parched. But yeah, to continue. Right now, I just got it on like my eyeball, but like really close to it. So that's what caused me to cry. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera. I'm just looking at my beautiful face in this mirror. Sorry, but yeah, it does not burn. It was just one time, and it was because I was too close to my eyelash. So I said my eyelash, my eyeball. So that's just, don't be afraid of that. Sorry, I said that in the beginning. But yeah. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys learn from this and save your money, save your coins, because we grinding all 2018. Yeah. All right. Peace out, Girl Scout.